Tires are compulsory components that surround on wheels rims in types of vehicles including cars, bikes, buses, bicycles, trucks, lorry, and even aircrafts. In the Australian market context, the growing number of motor vehicles have lifted demand in the tyre retailing sector. In these recent 5 years, tyre industry retailers have gained demand as more automobiles strongly penetrated into the tyre replacement cycles. According to EB's World, the increment of registered automobiles is predicted in recent years, therefore opportunities are contributed to the industry growth.
Bridgestone, Goodyear, and Tyre Power are the various major players in the car tyre retailing industry. Good day, my name is Jing, reporting from Channel 8 News. The first step of the supply chain is the source of raw material, parts, and components. Raw materials such as natural rubbers, synthetic rubbers, carbon black, steel tire cord, and bead wire are found in typical passenger tire, and they extracted this base material from the earth extraction or agriculture.
Quality control begins with the raw material suppliers. Tyre company chemists have to accomplish tests of raw materials as materials are delivered in order to assure the certification of suppliers and the quality of raw materials. Suppliers collect raw materials, parts and components of tires, then deliver them to the manufacturing factory through various delivery systems like land, rail, sea or air transportation. Tyre manufacturers undergo chemical intermediates in the chemical processing for the tires. The bamboo mixers create gummy black compound before sending them for moulding process. Those rubber band is sent to a mold to be cut into strips, then the structure of tire is formed.
Next, the tire building process requires the construction of green tire. It is built in a massive machine that injects all parts in the proper places. After the final mix of rubber compounding ingredients, tires, components such as steel, belts, ply, thread, and textile elements have been combined, the finished base polymer as known as tire are ready to be distributed. Tires are distributed to various automated retailers, stores, dealers through different available transportation. Retailers will store excess tires in warehouses for future supplies and will not face product shortages during sudden increase in consumers' demand. Final product of tires are being consumed by different range of consumers all around the world.
Different information systems are implemented to minimize costs and to ensure global operating procedure throughout the industry.
The car tire industry applies office automation system which serve to organize data, perform complex business calculations, and contract documents. Hence, the company information flows is well supported in the system. For instance, spreadsheet applications like Excel are utilized to assist optimal calculations of purchase order quantities and transportation costs. Most of the major players in the car tire industry adopt communication system as collaboration and sharing of information in different forms among parties is allowed. Technology advancement play a critical role in the communication system as it allows emails, virtual meetings via Skype, therefore enhance the online purchasing power. Goodyear Australia made themselves accessible by providing ultimate customer service through in-store inquiries, mails, and emails. Transaction processing system TPS is also broadly utilized by the car tire industry because TPS is a business information processing system involving gathering, modification, and retrieving of transaction data, also controls several aspects of the business transaction. TPS can be also known as real-time processing or transaction processing that supports daily business activities. TPS is also guaranteed the accessibility of data in the data warehouse. Backup procedure and recovery process must be established in order to deal with system failures, technology defaults, software applications, and more.
The car tire industry have to deal with various challenges in terms of the rapid advancement in IT.
IT may be a tool that assists organizational complications, but it's not a proper solution to solve these complications. Therefore, the car tire industry have to constantly adjust to the technological advancement for better achievements. The introduction of automated driving system, ADS, broadly applies in the electronic cars and self-driving cars recently. Further advancements push tire manufacturers to innovate in order to sustain the business. According to McKinsey and Company, 15% of brand new cars sold will be entirely autonomous by 2030. Furthermore, the company also predicts most of the vehicles are intended to be fully autonomous by 2050. For example, Goodyear designed an Eagle 360 concept tire that proposes better maneuverability and also affords better comfort and distilling noise. Hence, the supply chain has to be qualified to respond onto the rapid changing market demand. In conclusion, car tire industry is currently developing in rapid manner and also global scale. We do recognize the importance of logistics in terms of supply chain management, technology system, information system, and more. They are all very relevant in terms of the sustainability and profitability of the industry. Thank you.